How to install Directv Stream on Samsung TV. I'm going to tell you how to install Directv Stream on your Samsung television. If your TV is from 2017 or newer and runs on Tizen OS, you're good to go. Start by pressing the home button on your Samsung remote and navigating to the apps section. Use the search bar and type in Directv Stream. Once it appears, select it, hit install, and wait for it to download. After installation, open the app and sign in with your Directv credentials. If your TV is older or the app doesn't show up, you can still use a workaround, like casting from your phone or connecting a streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV that supports the Directv Stream app. That way, you'll still get access without needing to replace your TV.